Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car's system. In the beginning, let's take a look at the radio panel and go to Tell. Press this button on the left side of the screen display and go to Bluetooth connection. Now, tap on Search. And select your smartphone. Now you can select profiles to connect between telephone, audio streaming and internet. Let's select telephone and audio streaming and internet. Okay. Now you have to enter Bluetooth code. Basically it's 4 zeros. Your smartphone has been connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.